You said we land by 013.
Oh,
Yeah,
let's take a picture in front
just
of the
down
car.
here by the beach.
Done by my friend Tony.
How the fuck do you put nice poses?
Get in the... No, don't
You
pose.
can't do poses now.
Mr. Bospo, get in the picture, bro.
Hey. Oh, yeah.
Please don't use any emojis.
Ah, there we go. I love it.
It's gonna be a memorial service.
Oh yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, we can do this.
What about this, Mr. Green?
Ah, yeah, wait,
points.
take another one.
Point to the sky.
You point to the sky, you see James falling.
No, it's Mr. Ryan falling. He's not in the picture.
Ah, there we go. Okay, let's fucking do this, gentlemen.
Okay. I've my spot already. I'm jumping from seat number 3.
No, wait. Let's all get at the back so that I can on the live stream. So I can get you all in.
Looks so cool.
Is he gonna live stream though while jumping? The finish is gonna cut.
I don't know where the fuck I am. No, you guys must sit down. I'm telling you, you.
Okay, I'm going live, guys. I hope you're ready to fall.
How do we sit?
How do you sit?
Wait.
Press your enter vehicle button.
Oh shit! Open the back.
Oh shit, I'm getting out. Wait.
Picture F.
Wait. Don't fly. Oh, yes.
If you don't have a
Dude, so
seat,
confused.
just crouch, eh?
Someone stole my seat.
If you don't have a seat, just crouch.
Okay, guys, we are live.
James.
Oh, this fucking
it all
guy is
done.
gonna fall out. Holy shit.
Oh shit, someone is
Wait,
dead.
did we
Oh,
lose
no.
somebody?
Someone got
Yes.
sliced.
We fucking lost somebody already. How did we already lose somebody?
You
Holy
guys
shit.
did flick your F to sit, and then I flicked my F and jumped out.
Oh, bro, we were literally 20 meters above air. I mean ground.
Okay, sit still now, eh?
Oh, they're gonna fall out. Watch this. Holy shit. I don't trust this.
Alweer Mr. Benny, excuse man. Jezus, ek lag vanmorgen ons doen gou 'n paar adventures. Ek gaan op die laaste ons 11 se kan klaar maar blot Hy het iemand gaan help nou. Jy gaan kyk maar by die orders, dan gaan jy sien chat, Dagen het geantwoord nou hy. Jy kan vir hom ook add op die e-mail, dan kan hy jou help uithelp.
Hey bro, you're on live stream. You cannot
No
have
problem,
meeting.
dude, maar ek gaan voor ek uitvlieg kyk het ek my cash veel gee hoor. Right.
Listen, am I the only
Yeah,
one
it's
hearing the
okay.
fucking
I'm about 2
propellers making noise?
Stop. Bye.
Listen,
Push the red button.
Oh, these fucking propellers
You
are
guys
making
want to
noise,
jump
bro.
out of the chopper or from the mountain?
Chopper, bro.
Let's do chopper.
listen, James, I've got a problem. I think
Okay, so the
Holy-
guys that
Oh.
the guys that's crouching, you guys must stand up and run out the back, eh?
Okay, 10-4.
Jesus.
Yeah, you
I'm
guys-
not driving, you guys are great, man. I'm staying in the chopper.
I'm scared of hearts.
Don't
Everybody
worry,
just
Sheriff
remember,
Cisco
just
is
remember
close.
we're landing at 013.
013.
Started, but it's just next to 049 on the beach.
It's right at the back of the chopper, guys.
Mr. Cisco will catch us if we fall, don't worry.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah, go,
Yeah.
I'm going last.
We all just
Okay,
together.
go guys.
Go, go, go!
Ooh. Oh shit. Going down. Oh my god. Come on. Oh shit.